Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books. Today we'll look at our Christmas countdown book called E Hia Ngā Moi. That means how many sleeps. E Hia Ngā is the beginning of any question, how many of something. Not people, but how many of anything. E hia ngā moi, how many sleeps. So you could say, e hia ngā pōtai, how many hats. E hia ngā hu, how many shoes. E hia ngā ngeru, how many cats. In this book we're counting Christmas items and we're counting how many sleeps it is until Santa comes. And so on the page when it's 3 sleeps to go, the words are e hia ngā moi, how many sleeps, kia tai mai a hana koko, until Santa arrives. And then we're suggesting to say, let's count the Christmas hats to show how many sleeps there are. Me kau te ngā pōtai kirihimete. So then we're counting the Christmas hats, tahi, rua, toru, e toru ngā moi kei te toi. So simplifying that down in the situations where you might be counting things, you would just be saying e hia ngā pōtai, or you could say e hia ngā pōtai kirihimete, tahi, rua, toru, e toru ngā pōtai. So you just change the word here to the number. And you can do that with counting anything. Not counting people, this is the sentence structure for counting things. Just to let you know, the sentence structure for counting people would be toko here. So you would just change the first word e to toko. So on this page, where we can see 3 people, toko here ngā tangata, tahi, rua, toru. Toko, toru, ngā tangata. There are 3 people. So I can do that at home with anything that I've got around the place to practice my counting. Here's an example of some fish that we have. E hia ngā ika. E ono ngā ika. Enjoy counting all around the place. Ka kite.